Hey everyone, welcome to another Savvi tutorial. Today we're going to be going over how to sign custom documents and accessing our Savvi template library. To see if you have access to the template library, go to your file cabinet. If you don't see a folder called template library, that means it's still missing. If you go to workflows and type in template library, there will be a workflow to grant you access to our template library. You can agree and submit the task. Upon submission, you should be able to exit the workflow, go to your file cabinet, and see the template folder. The template folder includes templates that are embedded into our workflows along with some extra ones as well. When I go into the template library, I can see different folders that have different kinds of templates depending on what my needs are. If I go into another folder, I'll be able to see the individual documents and be able to download them out as Word documents and edit them alongside Council. If I open up one of these templates, you'll notice that each template is going to have a cover page. This will have different instructions that are applicable to the document, showing what kind of information needs to be bracketed or have curly brackets, and will also give you a link if you'd like to have a partner attorney review the document that you're looking at. Before you execute this on the workflow that's to come, it'll be important that you delete this page if you don't want this to be sent out with the document. If I keep scrolling, I'll be able to see the document that I'm working with and be able to identify what areas of the document need signatures, need initials, or need dates, or any kind of other custom information. After you've downloaded the template, deleted the cover page, and made any edits, it's important to know that you need to re-upload it into your file cabinet in order for that template to be used in any of our workflows. Now let's go over how to sign and execute custom documents. If I navigate back to the workflow library, I can type in custom and I can see a workflow called send a custom agreement. There will be some important FAQs associated with this workflow regarding how to format your template. The links to those knowledge articles will be in the description below. So the first step in executing my custom document is selecting it. I can either choose from my own templates if I have templates that are outside of Savvi's library, or include my Savvi templates. You can see that it's taking me within that template folder to be able to select what kind of template I want to edit or execute. Once you've selected which template you'd like to execute on, you'll notice that our system is going to be able to read the tokens that it found within the document. For this NDA, it's noticed that there's two different companies, two different other parties. So these are names and emails that I'll need to fill in order for Savvi to execute on this document. Now that we've submitted this document, the only thing that's pending are the signatures from the recipients. One last time, I think it's important to note that there is an FAQ section available for you. We have thorough instructions on how to edit and format your document so that we can read the tokens and collect the information that you need for whatever template you're working with. And those links will be in the description of the video. If you need help executing on custom documents, Savvi has a service that can help you create and insert these tokens and also create customizable workflows. There will be a link in the description below in order for us to receive more context in order to provide you an accurate quote on what that might cost. The last thing I wanted to go over is how to input a custom document within an existing workflow. For example, if we go to onboarding an employee, let's say I have a custom offer letter. I'll click generate and then I'll generate those tasks. From there, I will click into the questionnaire for onboarding this employee, and I'll notice there's 3 tabs for me on the right hand side. Generate would be the normal flow where you're going to have Savvi generate an offer letter using our template. Upload would be used for an existing offer letter that's already been signed and you're uploading it into Savvi to have a corresponding record. And custom would be a way to execute on a custom offer letter that you've drafted using our templates or other templates with the proper tokens using the workflow logic. If I do want to execute on a custom document, I'll collect all the inputs that I need, and then at the bottom, I'll see something similar to the other workflow where I can select which template I like to choose from. And then from there, I can find my custom offer letter. Thanks for watching this tutorial video. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to either email us or schedule a meeting with us, and the link will be in the description below.